How to go viral on TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Step 1. Choose the right video topic. The video topic is essential for going viral. Step 2. Capture attention with a strong hook. The first 3 seconds of your video should be highly engaging to capture viewers' attention. Step 3. Keep viewers engaged. Keeping viewers on your video as long as possible is vital. Use stickers, text, or verbal cues to hint that something interesting is coming up later in the video. Step 4. Use TikTok features and trends. Make use of as many TikTok features as possible, especially new ones. Step 5. Be persistent and consistent. Most people fail to TikTok because they quit early. This is how to go viral on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.